Now, why multi-R concept is required? What do you mean by the multi-R concept, first of all? Now, before introducing multi-R concept, how Oracle apps is going to helping? After introducing multi-R concept, how Oracle is going to helping to the business? Okay. Uh, can you put on mute, Sachin, if it is possible?
Yeah.
Right. So now, multi-R concept. Previously in 11i, we don't have a multi-R concept. R12, they are going to introduce multi-R concept. Okay, in 11i, suppose if you want to run the report or if you want to access any, if you want to submit any program, if you want to submit any program, okay, any program, you need to, okay, what we have to do? If you want to submit any program, what we can do? We have to always switch to that specific responsibility. Switch to that specific responsibility. Specific operating unit. Switch to that specific operating unit, specific OU, and you can submit. Operating unit and can submit. Can submit. Suppose I am in US operating unit. Okay, I'm going to running my program. That is fine. Next, immediately the same program I want to run into the Indian operating unit. What I need to do? I need to change the from that operating unit to this operating unit, and we will going to change it. Understood? Coming to multi-R concept is enabled. You can going to submit a program in any operating unit. Multiple operating units it's supported. Multiple operating units, multiple OUs supported. Understood? No need to switch to one operating to another operating and all. Directly we can able to submit it for all the programs. The specific program we can run it for a single window. You can change it the operating unit and you can going to submit the program. Okay, that is a major concept. So we're going to see now multi-R concept level. What are the steps it will come? See, if you want to set up any company. See, initially, suppose I started my business, I'm running my business. How I'm going to dividing? Suppose my business is running 3 different countries. What I will do? First, I need to set up my business group. Okay, set up the business group. Set up business group. Okay, here we'll going to divide it at different business groups. This is suppose if you see any big clients like General Motors, General Electrics, it's big companies who are going to running their business more than 100 years. Okay, so they have their business in all the countries. Okay, all the countries, L&T like this. It's these type of clients. They are going to running the business in almost each and every country. Almost it's 60 countries, 70 countries. They are going to running their businesses. So how they will going to monitoring in all the business? How they will monitor? Any idea how they will going to do it? So they are going to dividing their business groups into different region wise. So after that, now suppose India business group, no, Asia specific business group, they will going to create it. Under Asia Pacific Business Group, again they are going to creating next legal entities. Next legal entity. Legal entity. What do you mean by legal entity? Legal entity is nothing but we are going to paying the tax to the government under the legal entity. Understood? Business group I created. Okay, business group I created a Asia specific business group. Now legal entity I'm going to creating Indian legal entity. Okay, Malaysia legal entity, Singapore legal entity. Okay, at the same time Sri Lanka legal entity. Like this, we are going to creating legal entities. Under legal entity, what are the things you're going to set up? So under legal entity, we will going to create the 4 C's. 4 C's is nothing but a 4 C's. 4 C's: currency, calendar, chart of account. Chart of account. See, the key flex fields level, we are seeing this only. We are created chart of account only. Okay. And subledger accounting. Subledger. These 4 are the importance. Now, Sachin, can you tell me why you need to set up currency in legal entity level? One currency is enough, right? Why you want to do it in legal entity level, multiple currencies? So, because, let me will explain you. Here it is, business group is Asia specific business group. Coming to legal entity, we have each country wise legal entity is there. Because we need to pay the taxes to the government, and we need to follow the as per government rules and regulations. See, government rules and regulations means what is the in local currency is there, so we have to pay the tax on under local currency only. And again, we need to follow the calendar of the local calendar. Indian calendar we need to follow. Again, see, in Indian calendar also, again, they are going to dividing the state-wise calendars also. Region-wise calendars also, they will going to divide it. If you observe, see, suppose local some priority festivals like public holidays, it will come. At that time, they have to follow their calendars. Understood? So that is the reason each and every country having their own calendar. The same calendar it is going to business is applicable. So how they are going to dividing? They are going to dividing international holidays, national holidays, local holidays. So they are going to covering all the holidays based on the priority. Set up the see what the calendar you set up. So based on that calendar only, all the transactions, each and every transaction it is going to running. I'm not talking about leave calendar, leave policy calendar. I'm talking about the business calendars. Okay, keep on mind. Business calendar means they are going to set up if it is 24/7 support at the time their calendar is different again. Understood? Keep in mind. Next is chart of accounts. So chart of accounts already I told you in key flex fields level. See, again I will tell you. Now Indian chart of account is different. Malaysia chart of account is different. Why? So what are the transactions it is going to happening in India? We will going to list out to Indian chart of account. What are the transactions is happening in Malaysia? They are going to using their chart of accounts. And subledger accounting.
Koti, are all 4Cs different for different countries, right? Or
sorry, come again.
so currency calendar, chart of accounts, and subledger accounting, they're all separate for okay.
Separate for each and every legal entity.
Yeah.
It's not same for the two different legal entities. That itself it is not possible. If it is possible, when it is all the same. See, suppose if you take in UK, we are going to see so many small countries. Understood? Those all the countries, the currency, calendar, and the paying tax paying department, if all are in same, okay, at that time, then we're going to use same one. Okay, so that is the one. Next thing is going to uh, we people got it right now. Subledger accounting. The subledger accounting also, this is introduced in R12. In 11i we don't have. In 11i what we are going to doing? We people are observed or not? When we are going to doing O2C or P2P or back-to-back order or draft shipment order, this processes when we create a invoice, immediately we are posting into GL. Accounting we done, we posted to GL. Directly we are posting. Understood? There is no subledger accounting concept. Subledger accounting, it is went to warning and directly we posted into GL. But in R12 version, if you are enable the subledger accounting, then we have to first post into subledger accounting. From subledger accounting to GL, general ledger, it will move. Why means, say, because the GL going to have handling all the things. Okay, GL is going to how AP related all the transactions will come. Yeah, yeah, transactions will come. Okay, as well as and PA project accounting related transactions will come, and it will come under suppose CM it is not there. Okay, if any other transactions you can see these three modules, what are the transactions happening in each and every transaction we need to settle down into GL. In the GL level only, all the things it is settled. The final end of the day, they want to see, they will going to take the report. How much profit it is coming, how much loss or how much net profit or gain percent, everything they are going to calculate it in their that level only. Now, if people going to think about, sir, we have different countries, so we want to see so all the countries in single report. At that time, they will going to do it their customizations. Even if it is a huge volume, it will come at that time. They will going to do it their customization. If it is a small business means suppose our business is running 10 countries, that is fine. We can able to handle it. If our business is running more than 50 countries, so it's huge, right? Every quarter we want to see that settlement, and every month also we want to see that. So at the time they will going to one more application or something, they will going to find it for their solutions. So all the countries, each and every transaction, it is going to settle in GL. Okay. But 11i level, what will happen? Directly, all the transactions it is settled into the GL. But coming into R12 level, first it is going into subledger, and again subledger level it is doing one more validation. It's all the transactions are valid. Then you are from subledger to it is moving into GL. Okay, keep on mind. Now this is the legal entity. Next it is going to operating units. Operating units. Now, operating unit is nothing but a where we are going to operating. That specific area you are going to taking, specific business area you are taking, and you are considered as a one operating unit. Okay. So this is going to working. Suppose, say my business group is going to India. My legal entity is going to Indian legal entity. My operating unit is going to suppose KA, Karnataka region, or else, excuse me. Now I am going to dividing four operating units. Okay, suppose Delhi operating unit. I'm going to covering 4 5 states under that operating unit. Bangalore operating units. Here we are going to covering 3 4 states like this. So we will going to create multiple operating units like this way. Next, it is going to inventory organizations. Inventory organization. Inventory organizations. Now, inventory organization again one operating unit having multiple inventory organizations. Suppose I created a south operating unit. So again the inventory organization. So I'm going to putting see think about see suppose this manufacturing companies, and manufacturing companies means you can take any car manufacturing companies. See, they are not going to putting all the places as inventories. They have the operating unit, one operating unit, big inventory. Production manufacturing unit is only one place. From that place level, they are moving into main inventory organization. From the main inventory organizations to again they are going to moving into sub inventory organizations. Sub inventory. Sub inventory is nothing but like a warehouse. Okay. And then we can going to see the locators. It's for small parts, locators and items. We're going to do the setups. Yes, we have few questions now. I will ask few questions now. Now tell me, Padmini, see here it is. Is it possible to add it to multiple legal entities under the single business group? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, right. And next question is, okay, one operating unit having multiple legal entities?
No.
No, it's not at all possible. That is okay. Again, Sachin, can you tell me one legal entity having multiple operating units?
Yes, possible.
Right. Yeah. Shabanathan, now tell me this. Is it going to single inventory organization having multiple operating units?
No,
Single single inventory organization having multiple operating units? What you said?
single unit, how do multiple
No,
inventory?
it's not possible. Okay. So
Okay.
reverse is not possible. Only see business group having multiple legal entities, one legal entity having multiple operating units, one operating in having multiple inventory organizations, one inventory organization having multiple sub inventories. Okay, it's possible. This is the way. Okay. Now we're going to see the few of the setups. So already I shared this document. One second. So this is called as multi-R concept. So the same thing we are going to explaining here. Business group, okay, ledger sets, legal entity, operating unit, inventory organizations. So we are seeing that. So same structure it is. Whatever the structure I explained there, same. See, suppose India business group, India legal entity, USA legal entity, okay, India ledger, USA ledger. See, suppose again AP and it is going to operating unit, California operating unit, inventory, Hyderabad inventory. Inventory is southern and northern California. We are going to that is it's a one simple example. Okay. Now, what is mean by business group? How it's going to applicable? This is what is ledger. Ledger is nothing but a under ledger. Ledger is nothing but a legal entity only. Ledgers. Sorry, 1 second. Let me add one point I missed out here. Legal entity creation means this is comes under the ledger. Ledger setup level. Okay, legal entity level only ledger setup. It comes under that. Okay, legal entity you can call. Right now, fine, right? So next, what we can do, we're going to do the uh, ledgers, legal entity, operating units. So all I'm going to explain. Please try to gone through this document. Okay, already I shared with everyone. Right, before going to starting this, so what are the setups are required? We need to do those all the setups before. So in business group already we created a. These setups are very important. Currency, calendar, chart of account setups are required. Now the chart of account setup already we done in previous class. So now currency and calendar setup, so we will do now. So what is the calendar setup? Calendar setup is go to GL, financials, calendar and types. But this work will not come to you most of the cases, but keep on mind this navigation as well as backend tables. Backend tables is very important. Okay, where the currency is stored, where the calendars are stored, where operating units are stored, those things are very important. Right, now go to general ledger, setup, next calendar, right, financials, calendars, type. So first you need to define the type of the calendar, what type of calendar you want. Now you can see already existed calendar types. See now 13 period calendar, okay, 16 period calendar. You can see some different type of calendar types we have. Okay, sir, why we need this number of calendars? Now every business they are going to doing, they will going to set up their business, uh, the setups they are going to. 1 second. Right now here, why they need different type of calendars? See, suppose if you are running a big business means we need to every month we need to open the calendars, the future calendar, and they will going to close the current calendar. Suppose now this is going to, now July is coming now. July means in June 30th it is the quarter close, it is going to happen. Quarter means it is April, May, June. 3 months, one quarter they will going to consider. Okay. January, February, March. From March 1, that quarter is going to close. What they will do? They are going to checking the all the transactions happened for that specific quarter, and they will going to announce the that quarter level results. How much profit is coming? See, if people are going to observe each and every company announcing the results in each and every quarter, how much transactions is happened, what is the profit, okay, what is the net growth value, everything they are going to announcing. How they will going to announcing? Is there any idea? Such an any idea how they will announce? See, suppose they are running business 40 countries, how they are going to calculating this all the things within a 1 week of time, and they will going to announce.
They have accounting information.
Correct. In accounting information, how they will going to consolidate it for all the countries? Is it possible to consolidate it in Excel sheets?
No, because we have seen that in backend they are only taking one table, right? There is something different in some values, but ultimately they
Oracle
can.
apps, what it is going to helping? Any idea, Padmini?
Roll it up.
Pardon?
I mean, it has to roll it up to one higher unit level.
No, in the just today class also I told. In today class also I told. No, why we are going to moving each and every transaction to GL? Why we are going to moving the AP transactions, AR transactions, PA transactions, all financial transactions we are moving into GL. GL is the module to find storing each and every transactions, reporting. Transactions report we will going to see in GL level only. Simply they are going to finishing all the transactions on this specific quarter and they will going to run that report. Understood? In that report itself, they will going to see how much profit is coming, how much business is running, how many transactions are happened, what is the net value of the dollar value, okay, and what is the growth rate. Everything you can see in that report itself. Now it is clear or still confusion is there? Sachin, is it clear now?
Yeah, yeah.
Understood, right? Same thing I told multiple times. We are going to settle down into each and every transaction in GL. In GL level, say, why we need to settle down means, see, suppose few of the invoices are pending. What we will do? We need to correct that invoices if it is any issue. We need to settle down into GL. When? So settle down and next what we will do? We will going to close that calendar. Let me create a calendar, then I will tell you how to close, how to open the calendars. Okay, right. Now here we will going to, we need to take the type of the calendar type. Calendar type I am going to taking, suppose next is 13 period I am going to taking. Why 13 period is required? Only year wise how many months it is coming? 12 months. But why you need a 13? The year end, okay, the year end level, at the time, if whenever you want to adjust 13, okay, it's already exist, okay, that's fine. So if it's already exists, then you can going to, 1 second. Hi, sorry. Right. So here I'm going to changing our calendar. It's already 13 calendar we created. Once you created one type of calendar, you can't create same calendar into one more. Okay. I'm going to changing into XX GLT. Okay. Now we can save it. Now where it is going to storing these calendars, calendar types, record history, you can see. GL period types. All period types it's going to periods calendar types are going to stored in GL period types level. Okay, you can see period types. All period types it's going to stored here. Month or quarter or 21 or 13 or type it's you can see that. And next now you can go and do the setup of calendar accounting. Now your own calendar. See if it's already existed calendars you can see. See 16 calendar for see this again. This is also one of right ABC. This is a different type of calendars. You can see main one we are going to using accounting calendar. Okay, see now here it is. These are the different type of calendars. So we're going to set up our own calendar now. Okay, right. So plus you can click on the plus. So GLT underscore cal. This is GLT underscore cal, our own calendar. Or else if you want to put it XXGLT underscore cal. Now this is going to we are created, okay. This calendar is used for 13 periods, 13 period type. Okay. Now prefix we are going to creating. First one is John. Type. What is the type? Our calendar type XX. Not XX period type. Now you are created, right? 13 period. This is we created. Year is 2018. See, I am going to set up in the calendar. Okay. Next, which quarter it is? January is going to first quarter. Number is going to 1. And then next it is from which date to which date you want to do setup. Okay. So now this is going to from January to, okay, 1 second. In January we can move into July, June, May, April. 1 second. January 1st to, you can click on OK. And 31st of Jan 2018. So this is the way you can going to do the setup. Next it is going to FEB, FIB. Again it's going to 13 period or simply monthly also you can take it. Okay, monthly or 13 period or type is your depends on yours. Even monthly also we're going to use 13 period only. Let me change it. No problem. XX so monthly you can the quarter is 1. Okay, number is going to second month, first of Feb to 2018 to what is the date? Is it leap year? Okay, 28 days. Okay, now even you can put it in monthly also. See, month calendar also you can take. Month also it will going to that specific. Sorry, one. Here it is going to month also you can take it. Okay, this is the way you can follow. Sorry, month 2. So you need to set up like this way for all the months. 2000.
Kuti, what is the information there in type month?
We created before coming to here, right?
Yeah,
Let
you
me
changed
show.
something in that.
Yeah. Let me show you. Don't confuse. Okay, nothing. It is there. Okay, March 2018 to 30th of March, 31st, right? March 2018. So this is the one. So now I saved it. XXGLT calendar. Keep in mind this is okay. Now you are asking type, right? Type is see
Yeah.
type. They are going to using in different their types are going to see every country they are going to following their own types. Understood? 13 periods. 13 periods means they are going to doing what they are going to doing. Here it is month wise one period they are using. The extra 13 period they are going to using for the adjustments. See, suppose in year end level, for the transaction, all the transactions are happened in 17, but the payment we need to do it in 18. How they will do? Understood? So at the time, what they will do, they are going to using that adjustment period, 13 period they will use, and they will going to close all the transactions under that particular period. See, suppose some people are going to putting 16 period. 16 periods they are using. How, why they are going to using? Each month one period they are using. Okay, every quarter they are going to closing, right? Every quarter we need to announce the results, right? So suppose now this quarter is going to coming here, June quarter. Okay, in June quarter, what they will do? What are the transactions are happened in April, May, June? If it is any pending transactions are there, they will going to taking one extra period. They will going to close on that particular extra period level. Now, how many quarters in the year? 4, right? 4 extra,
Yeah.
4 extra adjustment periods they are going to using. Clear? So, if you see here, most of the things are you can see in 13. Understood?
Yeah.
Most of the things are 13. The adjustment period is they are going to be using in year end. Understood? See, few of the things they are going to using in 12 itself. 12 is going to just its normal calendar. Understood? See, this is the 12 plus 1. See, this is ABC fiscal calendar 12 plus 1. Adjust ADJ means adjustment. That extra one is adjustment period. Okay. See, you can see multiple, right?
Yes.
All are you seen in maximum. This is suppose 11, 12, 12 if you are taking, that is standard calendar. There is no adjustment and all. So I took it month, right? So even if you can see month also same calendar. 1 second, let me move on to the month. See, these all KK, KR, Kishore, these all we only created. Okay, so many types we are going to create it like this. See here, month calendar, not small letters, month calendar. 1 second. See, 13 calendar. Understood?
Yes.
That is the reason I changed it. So from hour to that. Okay. Right. If you want your own calendar also, you can create it. No problem. See, let me create one own calendar. Setup. What is that? GLT. GLT. Cal type.
Cal type.
That's enough. Now periods. 13 periods I want. This is going to. This is 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1. So normal plus 1. Normal. 12 is normal. 12 plus 1 is adjustment. 1 is adjustment type. Understood? Period
Yes.
type. So we're done. Now you can save it. GLT cal type. Keep on mind. Now we're going to accounting, and then you can query. What is this? XX GLT
GLT. Cal.
cal. Now you can going to do the changes. So this once you set up already done, right? So you can't modify now. It's already submitted.
Okay.
These things you can't change it now. So next thing you can able to pick it. Suppose GLT, you can pick it. Coming right? So you can pick it.
Yes.
But why you want to do two different type of calendars in single? Okay, I'm taking as of now one only. Okay. So now we are going to taking month 18. The similar way you can set up. Now what is the quarter? April.
Second.
Second quarter
Okay.
on
Second quarter.
4. So similar way try to create it. Okay. So March 2018. This is going to 30 of sorry April, right? Even it will not take, see, it will give the error. If you are doing wrong, but try to save. See, only adjustment period can overlap with another accounting period. Okay, it should not going to overlap. APR, you can save it. Now, similar way you can do it all the setups. Okay, where it is going to saving, it is going to GL periods. All are going to stored under GL periods. Just simply GL periods. Okay, this is the information you can see. Our calendar also you can see. What is our period name? Period underscore name, like not
Jan
period.
18.
No, not period name. 1 second. GL periods view, right? We'll see. This is period name. No, period name is different. 1 second. Period set name. Period set name. Understood? Not period name. Period name is the year you need to take it. Understood? Period set name. Set name like what is this?
XXGLT. XXGLT percent.
Right. XXGLT percent. See?
Yeah.
All of you clear, right? So what about Shavanathan and Padmini?
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So next, I will going to finish it next setups. I mean, now it is April, right? May, June, July, August, September, October, December. I will do the setup, and overlapping setup. That is one more adjustment period is there, right? Adjustment period. I will show it to you. I will do the setup and I will show it to you. Only adjustment period is only one day we are going to doing. Here it is 1 month we are taking, right? That is one day we are taking for the adjustment 13 period. That is only 31st of December 2018. Okay. That adjustment period you need to check plug here. So all of you try this. Okay. Fine. Hello.
Yeah. Yes,
Understood.
yes.
Understood,
Yeah.
right? What I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. So simply you can set up, but there is no big task here, right? Simply you can going to do the setup like this. Second one, fifth. So 01 May 2018. Okay. 31st May 2018. Okay. Now it is going to June, June month 2018. It's going to second quarter. It's going to sixth month, 01st June 2018. 30th, right? Only
Mm.
simply July, July. Otherwise, just JUL is enough. Short name is yours, how you want look like, but you need to follow the standard naming conventions. Third quarter, right? July 701 hyphen JUL July. No, it's JUL 31st of July 2018. So next is going to August month calendar. Sorry. 2018. So third quarter, it's 8th month, 01 hyphen August 2018, 31st August 2018, September month calendar, 2018. Is it third quarter only, right? September also. Now ninth 01 hyphen 2018. So how many days? 30 or 31st?
30.
Oh, right. September 2018. So now click on plus button here. September OCT month. Okay. 2018. Next it is going to 4th. Right. So 10th of 01 hyphen OCT hyphen 2018. Right. 31st of OCT 2018. Okay. Even you can tab it automatically, it will come. November month calendar 2018. 4th calendar 11/01 hyphen November 2018. 30th of November. December. DEC. Month calendar. So this is the new calendar setup. Like this way, people are going to doing the new calendar setup. Okay. Now it is going to 12th 01 of DEC. It's going to 2018, and then it is going to 31st of December 2018. Okay. So the final 13 keyword, 13 one we need, right? ADJ adjustment month. So you can take this one and 2018 only. 13. This is comes under fourth quarter only. Again, this is going to 13. So this is for only 31st December. Only one day. That adjustment we are going to doing all the adjustments. December 2018. So this is the one. This is going to overlapping. This is going to overlapping. Now you can save it. All transactions are saved now. Now you can close it. See, this is the validating it is doing. Yes. One of the program is going to submit it. Backend, all periods are going to validating. See this. Calendar validations, it is going to running. It's completed. Okay. Now completed. So now you can see this into backend. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to see this is 13 types are coming. Periods are created. Period types are created. Okay. Next tomorrow we will going to see currency creation, and then next currency. See, this is very important. Tomorrow how to open all these periods also I will going to show you. Next session we will see those things. In one session we will going to finish it, next session level, but try to practice it. If any questions, please ask me now. Fine?
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Right. Go to General Ledger, then Operations USCA, and then go to Setup Currencies Define. Okay. This is the navigation. GL Setup Currencies Define. So now you can go and define your own currency. I mean, what is the currency you want to set up here? But if you see already currencies, F11, control F11, see, almost each and every currency is already defined. Understood? ABC, Indian rupee, India. Territory is going to India. Precision. Precision means, so see, after the main value, after digit how many values you want to calculate. Suppose 22 rupees and 22 paisa, 0.22 paisa. Only we are going to calculating precision. And some other countries also, they don't have precision also. They will going to direct value also. It is there. Some people will going to take 3 precisions also it will take. Okay. But right now, our Indian currency is what? You can put it INR. It's already there. Okay. Just let me see. Suppose USD. It's already there. Okay. Suppose INR. Indian rupees is going to INR. Is Indian rupees. Even if you want to define your own currency, suppose some currency you want to define GLT. It's not the correct way, but simply some sample purpose I'm going to putting. Okay. Indian rupee. The name is already used. rupees. Okay, Indian rupees, India. So you can save it now. Once you can save, see one record applied and saved. Okay. Now where this is going to F&D currencies. This is very important table. Okay, keep in mind F&D currencies table. So this is the table it is going to getting populated. All currencies are going to stored in this table. Right. So now you can see this is VL. F&D currencies is the main table. So here you can see the currency code. What is the currency code we are created? Where currency underscore code equal to GLT. See, this is the one we created just now. Keep on mind, okay? These all the tables are very important. Next, what we can do once we define the currency. So next, we're going to value sets. This is going to keep flex field value set. Already we are done in the KFF level. So that is the reason I teach that same thing. Okay. So up to what are the things we are done? 1 second. Up to these things, what are the things we have done? Only for multi-year concept level. Right. Now, the multi-year concept level, what are the setups we are defined? We are defined the here.
Calendar, currency, value sets.
Right. These three chart of accounts. Value set is nothing but a chart of account you can keep. Okay. These three things are done now. Next, what we need to do? We need to do the ledger set. Ledger set and legal entity we need to create. Okay, ledger set and legal entity we need to create. Then next, sorry, follow this same document. Okay, in the document we mentioned clearly. So look the tables and follow the same way. See, these value sets all are done. These all are done. Same all are done. Right. Next, once this is done, next what we can do? We can go and create the accounting setups. See now, this is after generating that pop-up, click on the button to close it. Pop-up means this is related to, this is value set related one. Okay. The next thing is going to create the legal entity. Okay. Create the legal entity. So we're going to mention the steps. What we done first? We are created a chart of currency, calendar, chart of accounts.
Chart of accounts.
Yeah, currency done. We define the currency. Define the currency. What is the table? It is F&D currencies table. Next, define the calendar. Define the calendar. Calendar type. Calendar type. And then calendar. Define,
13 months.
right. Calendar. Define the calendar. And then chart of account. Define chart of account. So chart of account means all flex fields, key flex fields will come. Accounting flex field. Accounting KFF. KFF. Okay. These are the things we are done as of now. Next, what we need to do? We need to create the accounting legal entity. Create accounting setup, accounting setup. Now see, create a creation of the legal entity. So accounting setup we can do. Create accounting setup. Under this accounting setup, what are the things will come? Legal entity. Define the legal entity. Legal entity. Legal entity. How we will define the legal entity? We'll go with the same structure. Setup, financials, accounting manager, accounting setups. Close this. Here some cross currencies also rates. Suppose see daily rates we can define. That also keep in mind. It will not come into the multi-R concept level. This is daily rates. Rate defines daily rates means the business I will explain you. From currency to currency, day to type of the currency, what is the value of the currency? Because see, every day comparing with the dollar value, other countries currencies are going to reflection. It is coming, right? Some suppose see comparing with the Indian currency INR with USD. Suppose today is $68, 68 rupees for $1. Okay, tomorrow it should be going to 66. If it is down or if it is up or if it is comparing with all other currencies also, it's like this. It is going to deflection. It is coming. So what we have to do? So no one will how it is going to running the business. If it is daily, it is changing. If you are going to putting from currency to currencies to today value, but what about tomorrow? Understood? The question is who will going to doing the setup for on the daily rates. So every day they want to do the new currencies. So for this, what they will do, they will going to upload the Excel sheet into the server path. Okay. In the server path, what will happen? From the server path to it will going to running some program. The same data it is moved into these forms every day. Morning 6 o'clock like that. They will fix the every day the morning 6 o'clock or sometime their EST time zone they are going to putting some fixed value on every day. Okay, the fixed value it should be going to taking on that whole day. Understood? Next day also same thing it is going to happen. You people are understood now?
Yeah, so the file is uploaded for the daily rates and it is going to convert it and keep the calculations handy for
Right. In the file,
FST.
Excel file, you can find the from currency to currency, date, conversion type, value of the currency, all the things it should be there. Okay. That file they are going to moving into the server. Understood? They are moving into server. Server means I show you right WinSP level, some particular path you can bin folder somewhere you can keep it. Automatically the loader program will going to scheduled. When the loader program is going to getting scheduled and running, automatically the file data it will going to picking and moving into base tables. Moving into what is the table it is there, here it will move into this table. This is GL daily rates. In this table it is going to populated. So once the data is populated into this table, you can able to see the front end application level also. Okay, clear now? So automatically it is going to
Yeah.
see GBP and HGD to corporate. Conversion type is corporate. So here we can going to moving like this way. So every day it is going to running. So the currency value it is going to use it on that same day. What are the transactions are going to happening? All the transactions they will going to follow the same currency value. Okay, right. What next? Go to setup financials, setup financials, accounting setup manager, and accounting setup. So here we can going to create a accounting setup. Click on create accounting setup. Now create legal entity. So we are going to creating the legal entity now. See, territory by default it is taking the United States, but you can take it your own territory also. You can change it into Indian territory also. It depends on your requirement. Now, this is a legal entity means, what do you mean by legal entity here?
Business.
Business? Business group is different.
No, a registered business.
Right. Where you are going to registering the business. Correct, exactly. See, suppose now I want to pick it India. Okay. So here you can take it India. So India you can take. Now my legal entity it is going to GLT. Okay. GLT Private Limited. Private Limited. Okay. Organization name GLT Technologies. Okay. Technologies. Identifier number means legal entity identifier means you will get a company code that is provided by the company government. Okay. Suppose I'm going to giving some dummy number here. Okay. This is suppose. This is provided by the company. Company PAN number also it will going to provide ACB GT Y PK. Okay, 16T. This is the company PAN number provided by the. Oh, sorry. Before going to creating the legal entity, we need to create a address also. Otherwise, you can create new address also. Select the existing address or new address also. You can create it. So here I'm going to creating my business address where it is located. It's located on Bangalore. Okay. And then going to sorry, give me a second. I don't want to disturb people. Before coming to legal entity, we need to set up the location and business group. Next only legal entity you can create. Okay, 1 second. Where we can create into human resources. Human resources, service and enterprises. And then go to work structure, location. So you can define the location here. Keep on mind. Okay. This is a location. So here I'm going to creating my location is Bangalore. So if this is already existed, you can create different way. So this is this location has created for GLT business. GLT business. Okay. Now here address style also you can change it. You can change into Indian style address style. So now door number, block number, number 69. Okay. So number 69, fifth floor, fifth floor. Okay. Fifth floor, ABC. So and you can give it some any name, PSN, PSN, and then comma. So just read the PSN. Here it is going to village or something. You can give it to RM Nagar road. Road also you can give it to some street also. TC Palia. TC Palia. So now town or district it is going to Bangalore. And then pin code is very important. 560016. So this is going to India now. Now state also you can take it Karnataka. So Karnataka you can take. Now click on OK. So now you can go and other details. Go to other details. Here it is shipping details. You can see this location. You can use it to ship to site, receiving site, office site, bill to location, internal site. You can use it in number of ways. So it's already Bangalore is going to be available. So we can going to ship to location. It is see now this location. Equal to location name. So this is the one we are going to using. So you can save it now. See now the location code not in a queue within the scope of the language procedure. Right. Location code here it is the location you are taking, right? So you can take it to Bangalore, Eastern, Bangalore East, Eastern. Right. Automatically it is changed. Now you can save it. So before going to set up in there, those things are done, right? After this, you can create your location, define location, and then after location, define the business group, define business group. So now location is going to create a, see, you can see the transaction is applied and saved. Where this information is going to store HR locations. See now, HR locations. Now, see, you can use it this ship to location, bill to location also. Here we mentioned all the things. Okay. And site for office rate, office also you can use HR locations. Okay, HR locations. You can see the HR location code is here. Where location code is, what is ours one? Bangalore. Location code equal to our one. You can
Eastern.
type. Yes. Like percent Bangalore. Bangalore. Yes. One second. Mm-hmm. One second. We can see it. One second. So you can take it code here directly. Okay. This is the location code. It is coming. So this one now location code is created. What next? Oh, location is defined. Next, what you can do? See, if you want to start any business setup, so first what we need, location is required. Where you want to start the business. Okay, now location setup is done. Next, go to business group setup, organization, description. So this organization already we have? No, we are going to defining new business group. So this is going to GLT, technologies business, GLT, BG or business group. Okay, right. Now this business is located to where? Bangalore, Bangalore Eastern. Understood? Automatically the address is located now. Now this business group, now what we are going to creating? You need to save the first, right? Now you are going to doing business group creation. Now you can click on enabled, save it.
What is the enabled for?
This business group we are enabled. So
Okay.
we are entering the business group information. Click on others. Okay. Next, click on others. You can see the business group information. So here you can enter all the business group. You can click on business group info. So these are all the structures you can under this business group. What is the short name of that? Okay, GLT underscore. Okay, this is the short. What is the short name of the business group you can take? See, you can see all already business group, HR business groups. Oh, sorry, one second. HR business entities. One second. All business groups, it's going to HR business entities. One second. We can see some tables. Okay, right. HRFE business groups also we can take. This is the business group table. Right, all business group names are going to store here. Business group name and business where that business short names, everything will come to here. So flex fields, everything we can going to see here. Now short code you can give it according to that business group. You can give it a code. Okay. So GLT BG. Our one is going to GLT BG. GLT business group. Now employee number generation. This is going to very important. See now. Don't confuse. Nothing is there. Okay. It's very simple. Hmm. enter the name of the business group. Now you can save this. See here, select the business group and then go to next. It is going to, here it is, India PG automatic. We can set up this all the things. Okay. Now here it is going to automate the process. One second. Global sequences. See, the starting sessions we created a employee, right? At the time, how the employee number is coming? Based on this automatic using the global sequences. Okay. So you can going to see this. Automatically number is going to generated. Application number generation, that is also we can put it into automatic. Okay. And then this is going to the worker number generation. So this is also we want to put it automatic. This is going to grade flex field. I told you the flex field sessions we can see into different type of flex fields, right? The different type of flex fields means, see, these are the HRMS flex fields, grade flex field. So grade flex field. This is going to group flex field. People group flex field. Okay, job flex field. And then next is costing, cost allocation flex field. So we can go into position flex field, position flex field, and then competency flex field structure. So these all flex fields, so you can take it into the standard competency flex field, and going to legislation code India. It should be India, where we are going to starting the business. Currency is going to INR. Okay. Our currency also it will come, I think so.
Yeah,
GLT.
GL.
It will come. Understood? So Indian rupees. You can take it the GLT also. Now once you enter these all the details, click on OK and then click on OK. And you can save it. Yes. So what are the things we done? First we define the location. After that we define the business group. While defining the business group, we enter the business group information, all the business group information. So now you can see this business group into backend. So this is the HRFB business groups. This is the table. So business group name, where business group name equal to, got it? So this is the business group we are going to see. What are the employee general information methods, all the things we can see here. Okay. So this is the one, it is done. Now business group is done. Next what we can going to do? Now save it, click on OK. Once, pardon? Right. So now you can assign this business group to different responsibilities. We are not doing that one, so people going to try to do that. Okay. Next you can go and set up your legal entity. Got my point? Now we are going to doing the accounting setup. Now where it is, I'm going to selecting my existed location. Okay. So I will try it now. What is my location? Address? Postal code I have, right? I will try postal code 560016. Bangalore Eastern, right? This is the one, right? We created. Got it?
Yeah.
Right. So now I selected my already existing address for this business, and then now next we can go on to general information, place of the registration. You can enter it, and when it is going to place of the Bangalore. Okay. Inception date means when it is incorporated. The company is going to incorporate it. When the company is incorporated, what is the business activity? Means that company is going to doing what type of businesses. Okay. And as well as what is the sub business activity? What is the type of the company? Business company type. Is it a software company or is it a construction company? Understood.
Yeah.
Software services company or something. You can going to put it all the this information also. See, corporative services, all it will come in. Is it going to limited partnership company or public limited company or sole proprietorship company? So unlimited liable LLC or it's understood. Suppose my company is going to public limited company or limited partnership company. Limited partnership company. Clear? So you can select it this type of the company type. So when it is incorporated, I mean when the business is registered, suppose I'm going to selecting my business is registered and first. Okay. So you can give it all the things and then you can click on apply. What is the name? Keep on mind here. GLT Private Limited, or else we can take it GLT Technologies Private Limited. GLT Technologies Private Limited. So now click on apply. This is legal entity creation. Okay. What it is saying? Then click on next. Now you can primary ledger for your ledger you can create it. So GLT, okay, GLT ledger, LEDGR, GLT ledger. Chart of account. What is our chart of account? GLT XXGLT, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Right. We created KFF, right? Now accounting calendar. What is our calendar? GLT, right? No, it's not coming. Calendar, what is the name we are giving?
GLD some.
Right. No, we are not giving GLT. What is the calendar name we are giving?
13.
Hmm? No, that is the type. 13 is the type. GOL calendar. I am giving GOL. Okay. Currency. GLT. Right? Right? Now, subledger is not important now. We are not allocating. Standard we can take. I am taking now. So, here I am going to taking my standard subledger accounting. One second. Standard accrual I'm going to taking. Okay. So this is the one we are going to taking entering. So now if people are understood, right, why we are going to create a chart of accounting calendar, currency,
Yeah.
right? So this is the reason we created those all the things before. Now click on next. See, this is our accounting information. All the information is coming now. You can click on finish it. Done. So this is a confirmation. Accounting setup GLT. Okay, ledger has been saved successfully. You have just saved the accounting structure GLT ledger. Before you can enter the transactions and perform accountings, you must define the accounting options for this accounting setup. You can define your accounting options to view ledger. Define your accounting options. See now we need to validate this all the things here. See now, sequencing, subledger accounting options, balancing segment values, reporting currencies, ledger options. These all we need to define now. You can click on here. So this side you can see update option, it is showing, right? So you can click on ledger options, you can click on update. No, it's already we are done, finished. So the data that defines the flex field on the field may be inconsistent. Inform the system administrator that is the key flex fields. One second. Something it is going to giving the problem. GLT India flex field name, accounting flex field structure that is not compiled. Understood? It is saying this is not compiled. The flex field is not compiled. It is saying that day we are created, something it is missed out. Let me go and do it now. General ledger is an operation. Go to setup, financial flex field, key flex fields, values, not values, sorry, segments. So no, segments F11 accounting. So control F11. Now query your GLT accounting flex field. Now compile, submitted successfully. So this program is not submitted last time maybe. So that is the reason it is giving the problem. So before going to doing the legal entity setup, we need to ready with the calendar, currency, chart of account, subledger accounting. Those all should be validated. Okay. Now we will try. Finish it. Please enter the returned earning account. Right. Where it is returned earning account? See that something it is missed here. Returned earning account we need to enter. One second. Please enter the retained earning account. Where it is asking that.
Balance subledger.
Yeah, maybe. One second. We're going to remove that. Okay, and then we will try. Mhm. Somewhere it is. No, this is different. Okay, so this is not required normally. Okay, let me try to return. Indicates required fields. All we are entered. See, ledger name, short name, description is not mandatory. Currency we entered. Chart of account we entered. Accounting calendar we are entered. Okay, first ever opened period we are entered. Number of future enabled periods one entered. Nothing, right? So please enter the retained earning account. One second, we'll see here. So once we enter this, and after that, here you can see that. So click on this. Here Boston standard accurate we are taking. Press finish button. Okay, written define accountings. It's coming. We are coming to in this form. So after that, ledger name accurate. Okay, one of 4 steps it should come, but here it is showing only one step, right? See here, one of 4 steps we need to see that. Click on to next, it is coming. Return, it is coming. We need next option, it is not coming. 1 second, give me a second. We will see now. Okay. What is our? We'll return to the accounting setup again. What is our ledger name? GLT. India Private Limited, right? Sorry, GLT ledger. This is the one we can do it now. Now you can going to update it. See now. Now 4 steps are coming, right? So we'll now these 4 steps you can going to follow one by one. Now next it is going to click on next. See, this is the error it is giving.
Oh,
Understood. So are you able to see your segment values now?
yeah.
Okay. So here you can take your segment values, company, all things you can see now. See now, whatever the segments we created, suppose India, okay, department, okay, department, I'm talking purchasing, okay. So this is the segments we can take. What is this is? This is going to the your net profits. So the company profits we are going to uh, putting the amount in this account. I hope you people are understood now. Okay, this is the way of accounting structure. Right. Once you selected all, then you can click on Next, once you selected these all the things, right? Now you can search it. It's not there, so you can create it now. One second, give me a second. So you can so 01 hyphen. What is the financial one? We can select it. Give me a second. So if you click on this, automatically it should come that combination should have to come. So that combination is not coming here. We will see why it's not coming. If you click on search, automatically it should come the combination. That is not coming means something is the problem in still in our value set level. Okay. So we're going to see, I clicked on cancel now. So I stopped it in creating the subledger. This is a ledger setup level. Okay. So we're going to see on tomorrow's session from this onwards. Okay. So what are the things are we are done as of now? We are going to done today. We define the currency calendar type and currencies, and created a location and created the business group, and we are define the legal entity. Now under legal entity, ledger we are going to creating. This is the one. So we're going to see on tomorrow session. Anyhow, it will take another 1 hour session. It will take complete multi-arg setup. Okay. So try to look at all of you.